Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your phone number on the SHEIN application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now you should tap on the last option down below, which is the Me section. So click on it. Then tap on the settings icon that you can find at the top of the screen, which is the third option. And click on account security. Now tap on phone number. And as you can see, you can change it simply by tapping on the change phone number button in the middle of the screen. And then, as you can see, a verification code has been sent to your current phone number. And then, after typing in your verification code, you will be able to change your phone number. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.